Hello, I'm Tod Sutherland with Tropic Supply, and we're here to wish you a happy holidays. We have the upcoming Christmas season coming up, and that always means great tool deals from Tropic Supply. So today what I'm going to be talking about is one of the items that we're going to be having on our holiday tool special that starts December 12th. Now we run that special from December 12th through December 23rd, and there's a multiple of tool items that are available for sale on there for our technicians out in the field. Now I'm really excited about this product from Uniweld. It's their MaxEvac Professional Evacuation Kit. Anybody out there that knows me knows I'm a nerd for this kind of stuff. I love these evacuation tools that they put together. This is the part number MEPK14. That's MEPK14. Here, let's show it. All right, the MEPK14. Now, let's take it out of the box and see what we got. All right, first things first, we've got this great carrying case. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I use large diameter hoses when we're pulling a vacuum. What you should always be doing, it makes your vacuums faster and better, okay? So, but my hoses are always laying around inside the truck, getting dirty, contaminated. Now you got a nice kit to put them all in, keep them nice and snug, a nice evac kit made out of a real heavy duty canvas. It's got some pockets on the side, pocket on the front, another pocket on the other side. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, let's see. Okay, we got a dual zippered pouch, makes that nice. Let's open it up and see what all we got in here. Okay, first we have a shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap goes on the side of the bag so you can lug it over your shoulder if you want to. Next we have a two large diameter hoses. Okay, so we got two large diameter hoses that are all snipped together here. Let's pop this open. All right. Okay. So first off, core removal tool. Okay, now these are vacuum rated by Uniweld down to 20 microns. Okay, so you got a vacuum rated core removal tool, nice handle on the side here to valve it off. Okay, nice strong core removal tool, 1/4 inch side port for your micron gauge. Everybody should be using a micron gauge. Hint, hint, we're going to be having a micron gauge on our tool special as well, okay? So we'll talk about that in another video. So we've got two core removal tools that are available with that. You've got the hose. Now let's talk about the hose for a second. First of all, you'll notice on here, you have a hose protector. Now this is great because it's a nice heavy duty metal protector. It's even got a hanger on it. So if you have hooks in your truck that you want to hang it on, you can hang that on there. Now, this is let's take this off the hanger real quick. Give me just a second, okay, because I want to show you this hose. Now, this is a large diameter 1/2 inch hose. The larger the gauge you use when you're pulling a vacuum, the faster your vacuum is going to be. Okay, now this happens to have a 1/4 inch fitting on one side and a 3/8 connection on the other side. Now most of your vacuum pumps are going to have a 1/4 inch and a 3/8. Some of your better vacuum pumps will have a 1/4 inch, 3/8 and a 1/2 inch port on there. Okay, so and some of your, when you get into some of the bigger 8 CFM vacuum pumps, they actually will have 2 3/8 ports on there. So you can use this with any vacuum pump. You're going to put the 3/8 end to your vacuum pump, the 1/4 inch end to your core removal tool, and pull directly from the unit to the vacuum pump. Stay away from pulling a vacuum through your manifold. We shouldn't be doing that any longer. There's too many connection points in there for leaks. You should be going from your core removal tool on the unit directly to the vacuum pump when you're pulling a vacuum. I got a whole other training class on that we can talk about at another time. Okay, but now you've got 2 of those hoses to do that with. Okay, now what's nice is they also include this nice 3/8 Y. Okay, so again, most every vacuum pump out there is going to have a 3/8 inch connection on there. All right, so you'll put that on your 3/8 connection. Then you've got both your 3/8 hoses here. You've got one going to your liquid line service valve, one going to your suction side service valve, and now you can pull a vacuum through both. You've got your core removal tool that you can put your micron gauge on. okay? And it all comes in this nice kit, all by Uniweld. Great product. Can't wait to use it out in the field. Again, everything you get in here, you get your 2 core removal tools. You get your 3/8 inch Y adapter for your vacuum pump. And we'll also be looking for a vacuum pump on our holiday tool special. I'm sure we've got one coming up, but we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, then we have the 1/2 inch hose with a 3/8 and 1/4 inch connection. You get 2 of those all up in a nice bundle, all in the nice toolkit by Uniweld. Again, this is the MEPK14 kit by Uniweld. Stop on in at your Tropic Supply during the holiday tool special, December 12th through December 23rd. Pick one up at your local Tropic Supply. Happy holidays.